In today's video, I'll show you how to install Far Cry 5 Trainer. Check my video description for this download link. Select this three dot icon and select downloads. And select this three dot icon and select download dangerous file option and select download. Once download and select this folder icon. Click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop the exe inside the downloads folder. Password type trainer. Click on OK. And then open the exe file. Select the yes option. Select this music icon to mute the music and launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and open the trainer. Press in keyboard numlock key to turn on the numlock. Once you turn on the numlock, use these keys to enable the cheat. I'm gonna turn on the infinite ammo. Press the 4 key in the numpad. Once you turn on the cheat, get back to the game. I'll show you guys it's working. As you can see, it's working. Ammos are unlimited. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.